do these little practice sits and just some basic cues after the dogs have had a chance to play. It's important when you train to train when they've had a chance to expend some of their energy. Then you start a training session. You never want to start a training session when a dog is on 10, when they haven't had a chance to exercise or even relieve themselves. And if you see all the focus is on that, with a little bit of food, Princess is in there, Coco's over there, but she's resting in the grass. If you see their focus, it's great. And this is the beginning of training. It's just getting their attention with a little bit of food motivation. And then you begin asking for some obedience cues.